Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can find, remove and clean the mine filter in the Deebot T30 Pro. First we need to remove the top cover. Then lift up the dustbin container, you have to just lift it up. And now, if you want to just clean your filter, open it in this way and clean it with the brush, compress it there. If you want to use the water to clean it, remember to dry it for 24 hours. But if you want to replace the filter, you have to open it from this side. As you can see, there we have our filter, now it's detached, so we can just replace it freely, then put it back and reset the filter status in the application. That's it. Now lift up the cover element, install it, and that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.